Hello children, Leah ma'am is here with a new video. So children, will you tell me in the last video what did we discuss? Yes, we studied about environment, isn't it? We studied about environment and we studied about living and non-living things. Isn't it? Living and non-living things contribute together forms our environment, isn't it? Living and non-living things together forms our environment. And children, we studied what are living things and what are non-living things. We studied some examples also, isn't it? So in this class we are going to study about pollution. Okay, so have you heard this name pollution, this term pollution? Have you heard it? Have you heard about it? Yes, some might have heard, isn't it? Some of you might have heard about the term pollution. So, children, what do you mean by pollution? Yes, yes, the addition of harmful substances. Okay, the addition of harmful substances to air, soil, or water is called as pollution. So, what is pollution? The addition of harmful substances to air, soil, or water. That is called as pollution. Okay, so in this chapter, we have to study about three types of pollution. Okay, three types of pollution. And the first one is land pollution. The second one is water pollution, and the third one is air pollution. Okay, these are the three types of pollution that we have to study. Okay, the first one is land pollution, the second one is water pollution, and the third one is air pollution. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about land pollution. So children, how this land pollution is caused? How is this land pollution caused? Do you know? Yes, the main reason for land pollution is putting garbage in the soil, isn't it? Putting garbage everywhere. That is the main cause of land pollution. So, children, what is land pollution? Yes, the destruction of the earth's surface and the soil as a result of human activities. This is called as land pollution. So, what is land pollution? Land pollution is the destruction of the earth's surface and soil as a result of human activities. Okay, so this is land pollution. Now we are going to study some causes of land pollution. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so see, you can see this picture, isn't it? So you have two pictures here. So what is the first picture indicate? What does the first picture indicate? Yes, see, land pollution, isn't it? See, a lot of garbage is piled up there. You can see that, isn't it? So the first point or the first cause of land pollution is piling up of garbage and human waste. Okay, so the first point is piling up of garbage and human waste. Okay, so what do you mean by garbage? Yes, waste itself, isn't it? Okay, now what does the second picture indicate? Tell me. Overflowing of sewage, isn't it? See, you have a very much, see, you can see water coming out, isn't it? And you can see a lot of waste materials also, and all these will be coming from big factories, hospitals and all. Okay, so if this untreated sewage overflows, all this waste will be dumped in the land, and this will cause to land pollution. Okay, now what does this picture indicate? Yes, Yes, many trees are cut down, isn't it? You can see many trees, cut down trees. And you tell me, for what purpose do we cut down these trees? Yes, for making buildings, isn't it? Yes, all these trees are cut down and the land is freed. And using this land, in this land, you can build many big buildings. And this is the main reason of land pollution. See, all the trees are cut down for for building, then for making furnitures, then for making papers, or for all these purposes we cut down trees. And cutting down of trees in a large number in forest is known as deforestation. Okay, the cutting down of a large number of trees in forest is called as deforestation. Okay, and this is a main cause of land pollution. Okay, now you can see this picture, isn't it? Are you familiar with this picture? Yes, most of you won't be familiar. See, you can see the earth is dug, isn't it? Yes, yeah, the land is dug, and using big machines dig dig the land. And for what purpose do they dig the land? For getting minerals. Okay, minerals are mainly gold, is there platinum, silver, all these are minerals. And for getting these minerals, they dig the soil. Okay, they dig the land, and this process is called as mining. Okay, mining. mining, mining. Okay, so mining of land for minerals is also a cause of land pollution. Okay, so we studied five causes of land pollution. Okay, children. So the first one is deforestation, and the second one is mining. The third one is overflowing sewage, and fourth one is piling up of garbage, and the fifth one is using fertilizers. Okay, so what is fertilizers? Yes, farmers use these fertilizers, isn't it? So for what purpose do they use these fertilizers? For the growth of the plants. Okay, so for the growth of the plants, they use these fertilizers, and this also contributes to land pollution. Okay, so children, if the land is polluted, then the the plants that grows in this land, the soil, can't live. Okay, they won't grow. Okay, and the crops that we get from these plants will also have many issues in it. So if we consume those crops, we will get many health problems. Okay, so this is about land pollution, and the next is water pollution. Okay, so what do you mean by water pollution? Yes, putting all the waste in the water. It will make the water very dirty, isn't it? So, when the household waste is dumped in the water and the sewage is dumped in the water, all these contribute to water pollution. Okay, so in this picture, you can see many waste materials are put in the water, and see this second picture, see a lot of sewage is dumped into the rivers and lakes and seas, and all these could contribute to water pollution. So children, due to this purposes, the water is very much polluted, isn't it? So if we drink this polluted water, we will get many diseases. Okay, diseases like cholera and dysentery are mainly waterborne. Okay, so if we drink this polluted water, we will get diseases like cholera and dysentery. All these are very serious health problems. Okay, will have a stomach ache, then you will have constipation problems, loose motion problems. Okay, all these problems will be there. Okay, so this is about water pollution. And the next is air pollution. Okay, children. So, what is the main cause of this air pollution? Do you know? Yes, smoke, isn't it? Smoke is the main cause of air pollution. And children, now you tell me from where do this smoke is arised? Yes, from where does the smoke come from? Yes, from machines, isn't it? From factories, from vehicles, from all these sources, the smoke comes out. Okay, so children, so you tell me, so there will be big machines in these factories, isn't it? So the smoke is also produced. So from where does this smoke is produced? From where does this smoke come from? Yes. This for running this big machines, they need a fuel, and coal is used as a fuel in these machines. Okay, so when we burn this coal, a lot of smoke is arised, and this is given out by the factories. Okay, so we use a coal in to run this big machines. So for running vehicles, what fuel do we use? Yes, petrol, diesel, isn't it? All these are fuels that is used by the vehicles to run. And if these fuels are burnt also, this air will get polluted because the smoke will arise from it. Okay, and due to this air pollution, we get many serious health problems. Like mainly it causes breathing problems like asthma. Okay, so we get a lot of health issues when we breathe in this polluted air. Okay, children. Okay, so children, if we cut down many trees, or trees also, this air pollution will be caused. Okay, so if we cut down these trees, we studied that carbon dioxide is used by the plants to prepare food, isn't it? And what they do is that these plants will give out this oxygen, pure oxygen. Okay, and this pure oxygen can be breathed in by us. Okay, we can breathe that pure oxygen. But for this pure oxygen, the plants should not be cut, isn't it? Okay, so if the plants are cut down, then there won't be any pure oxygen also. So we can't breathe in clean air. And if we don't breathe in clean air, we will get many health problems also. It mainly contributes to breathing problems. Okay, children. So, not only this factories and vehicles cause this air pollution, but many more things causes air pollution also. You can see the second picture. See, they are burning many things, isn't it? They have dumped many waste materials and they have given fire to it. And what is happening? See, the all the waste materials are being burned, and you can see a lot of smoke arising from that fire, isn't it? See, a lot of smoke, black smoke is arising from the fire, and this too causes air pollution. Okay, and you see this picture in this slide, the first picture, what is this? Yes, this, there is a man and he's bursting crackers, isn't it? Yes, he's bursting crackers. Maybe it is a festival. And so he is bursting these crackers. But when these crackers are burst, you can see a lot of smoke arising from it, isn't it? This also contributes to air pollution. Okay, children. So there's from the vehicles, from the factories, then from burning waste materials, and from bursting crackers. Okay, all these contributes to air pollution. Okay, so we should lessen the use of these things. Okay, children. You understood what is air pollution? Okay, so see, children, we studied three types of pollution in this class. Okay, I hope that you don't have any doubt in this. Yes, so what was pollution? You tell me what is pollution? The addition of harmful substances to air, soil, or water is called as pollution, isn't it? Okay, so we studied about three types of pollution, that is land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. And we studied some causes, the different causes of this land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Yes, it is clear, isn't it? Okay, children, so this is for today, and in the next class, we will come with a different topic. Okay, children, so bye.